So over here is a nice hotel. I think that's because I saw a sign on the corner that said Roadway Inn. It looks, I don't know how it looks inside, but I like the color blue. So that looks nice to me on the outside, that it's blue. But there's a hotel if you want to stay right next door. But sometimes, I guess, probably not right now. There's normally a lot of homeless people, but I don't see too many right now. That are down there in like vans and cars and stuff. And a lot of surfers jump out of their cars and like taking their clothes off and stuff. If you like, watch and subscribe.